A little video, just really quick.
Can I go in it but blank me?
No. Blank you? You mean make you
blank the hand.
blank the hand. Do you mean blur the hand?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. If you happen to be at the old Poway Park in Railroad last December and made a custom order for a journal along with buying other little things, I still have your what the nuggets? I still have your journal. I remember your name, so if you just come to me and tell me your name, you can have your journal that you paid for and ordered. So hopefully you're following me on Instagram and you see this, or maybe you'll just show up. Okay.
Can I go upstairs?